In prefabricated house manufacturing, every second on the line counts. MyRandek gives you real-time visibility across your entire production, from walls to floors to roof trusses, so you stay in control without data overload. The intuitive dashboard tracks output in produced length, complexity, or elements with clear bar charts. Watch hourly trends, compare day to day, measure against targets, and see project breakdowns in vibrant pie charts, no matter which prefabricated elements you're running. Drill into any machine instantly. Monitor element status, performance, alarms, warnings, stops, and losses in real time, turning insights into fast fixes and smoother flow across the line. Follow every element's journey with dynamic, color-coded timelines. Spot uptimes, short stops, starved stations, faults, or blocks instantly, so you can eliminate bottlenecks and keep production moving, whether panels, cassettes, or trusses. Turn any screen into your live production command center with Info TV. Choose exactly the stats and visuals you need. Push real-time feeds to shop floor monitors, offices, or big screens, so everyone stays aligned and the whole team drives toward peak performance. MyRandek is integrated into your Randek system to cut losses, boost output, and exceed targets across all your prefabricated production. Power your factory with MyRandek, the insight you need, delivered with the machines you trust.